Hello children, today we are going to see the second part of our second unit. So what is your second unit? Addition and subtraction up to 100. Last class we studied addition up to 100. Today we are going to see the topic subtraction up to 100. Okay, let us start. So first subtract by crossing out. Subtract by crossing out. Listen. First question, 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5. So first you subtract the ones column. What are the digits in the ones column? 6 and 5. So you subtract 6 minus 5. Okay. So you by crossing out. How will you putting lines and you cross out and find the answer. So you 6 minus 5. So first you write 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 5. You cross out 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many lines are left? Only one line. So 6 minus 5 is, the answer is 1. One line is left. So you write 1. Okay. 6 minus 5 is 1. Here, in the tens column, there is no digits here. So you put 0. Now you subtract 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. 1 is 0 minus 1. So your answer is 11. So your answer is 11. You all know subtraction symbol is minus. Second question, 26 minus 4. 26 minus 4. So you subtract the ones column. Ones column 6 minus 4. So you draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Minus 4. You cross out 4. 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many lines are left? 1, 2. 2 lines are left. Your answer is 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. Now, in the tens column there is no digits here. What do you have to do? You have to put 0 in that place. Now you subtract 2 minus 0. So any number subtracted minus 0 means the same answer. Okay. So 2 minus 0 is 2. So your answer is 22. Similarly, third question, subtract 38 minus 4. 38 minus 4. So, you subtract the ones column, 8 minus 4. So, you draw 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, minus 4, you cross out 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What are the remaining lines? How many remaining lines? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your answer is 4. 4 lines are left. So you write 4. Here there is no digits. What you have to do? You have to put 0 in that place. Now you subtract 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So your answer is 34. Similarly, fourth question, 44 minus 3. Subtract the ones column. Here 4 minus 3. You draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract, cross out 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. What are the, how many lines left? Only 1. So answer is 1. Here what you have to do? In the tens column there is no digits, no? So you put 0. Now you subtract 4 minus 0 is 4. So your answer is 41. Okay children, next we see the subtraction using number line. Okay. Next, subtract using number strip. Okay, subtract using number strip, that is number line. Listen. First question, 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3. So using number strip we are going to subtract. So 17. See the first number, 17 minus 3. So where is 17? 17 is here. 17 is here. To subtract we have to count backward. Okay. Addition I told you have to count forward. For subtraction you have to count backward. So from 17 you have to subtract 3. So you count backward, that is left side. 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So addition count forward count பண்றோம், that is right side. Subtraction we have to count backward. Okay? So how many place? 17 minus 3 is your question. 17 is here. From 17 you have to count backward 3 places. So 3 places நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், count பண்ணிட்டோம். Where it ends, எங்க அந்த third place வந்து எங்க end ஆகுது, எந்த நம்பர்ல end ஆகுது? 14. So your answer is 14. Okay? So your answer is 14. Similarly, you have to subtract. Second sum, 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3. So using number strip, we are going to subtract. Okay? So I have drawn from 20 to 40 number strip. From this we are going to subtract. Using number strip, we are going to subtract 25 minus 3. Where is 25 in this number line? Here. Okay? From 25 we have to count backward. How many place? 3. So 25 minus 3, no. So 25 is here. You have to count backward. That is left side. How many place? 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 places. So where it ends? Arrow mark எங்க end ஆகுது? 22. So your answer is 22. Okay? Similarly, third question, 33 minus 6. 33 minus 6. Where is 33? 33 is here. From 33, we have to subtract how many place? 6 place. 33 minus 6. So 33 is here. From 33, you have to count backward 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The arrow mark where it ends? 27. So arrow mark எங்க end ஆகுது? 27. Your answer is 27. So next we see the 2-digit subtraction. Okay children? Next we see subtracting 2-digit numbers. Subtracting 2-digit numbers. First question, 84 minus 34. 84 minus 34. So we have arranged in ones and tens column. You have to subtract. Listen. So this column is ones column. This column is tens column. So first step, you have to subtract the ones column. Okay, ones column இருக்கிற numbers subtract பண்றேன். So here 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So any number subtracted from itself is 0. 1 minus 1 0, 10 minus 10 0, 100 minus 100 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay? So we have subtract the ones column. Now you subtract, second step is subtract the tens column. Okay? Listen. So in tens column, 8 minus 3. You have to subtract 8 minus 3. So what we have to do? You count after 3 up to 8. 3 க்கு அப்புறம் இருந்து 8 வரைக்கும் கவுண்ட் பண்ண போறேன். That is your answer. So after 3, so 8 minus 3. So you count after 3. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 வரை count பண்ணணும். So how many fingers we have? 5. So your answer is 5. So என்ன பண்ற? 8 minus 3. So you have to count after 3 up to 8. 3 க்கு அப்புறம் இருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்றேன், இது வரைக்கும் 8 வரைக்கும் கவுண்ட் பண்றேன். ஓகே? So 3 க்கு அப்புறம் 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers we have? 5. So your answer is 5. So your total answer is 84 minus 34 is 50. This is your final answer. Similarly, see the second question. Ones, tens. So O denotes ones, T denotes tens. Okay. So ones வந்து shortly capital O, tens can be shortly denoted by capital T. So in ones column subtract பண்ண போறோம். 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Okay. 5 இருந்து 2 subtract பண்றோம். So this is 5, isn't it? 5 finger 1 2 3 4 5. So minus 2. 1 2. Remaining fingers how many? How many remaining fingers? 3. So your answer is 3. This is one method. Another method is you count after 2 up to 5. 2 க்கு அப்புறம் இருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ற 5 வரைக்கும். So 2 after 3 4 and 5. How many digits? So how many fingers? 3. So your answer is 3. Similarly you have to subtract the tens column. 5 minus 2. So same answer. 5 minus 2 is 3. So your total answer is, what is your answer? 33. 55 minus 22 is 33. Next, third question. Ones and tens they have arranged and give. Subtract the ones column. 4 minus 3. So 1 2 3 4. So 4 fingers. Subtract 3. 1 2 3. Remaining finger is 1. So your answer is 1. Okay. Now you subtract the tens column. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. How will you subtract? Two method I told you. Finger method. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 fingers. So adula minus 3. 3 fingers நமக்கு 1 2 3. How many fingers left? 3. So 3. This is first method. Second method எப்படி? You have to count after 3 up to 6. 3 க்கு அப்புறம் இருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ற எது வரைக்கும்? 6 வரைக்கும். So 3 க்கு அப்புறம் 4 5 6. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So your answer is 3. So answer is, total answer is 31. So 64 minus 33 is 31. Let us see another sum. Next, the subtracting tens. Subtracting tens. Okay. So listen. First question. 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60. So two methods la பண்ணலாம். Listen. Subtract the ones place digit. This is ones place digit. 0 minus 0 is 0. Subtract the tens place digits. So 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. So in finger method. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 finger. Subtract minus 6. 6 fingers are மடக்குங்க. 5, 6. Remaining 3. So your answer is 30. This is first method. Or you write ones, tens, then you write the numbers and subtract. Column arrange பண்ணிட்டு கூட subtract பண்ணலாம். So ones column ல 0 minus 0 0. Tens column ல 9 minus 6. So you count 6 after up to 9. 6 after up to 9. So 6 after 7 8 9. How many fingers? 3. So your answer is 30. Okay, you follow any method. So listen. Subtract the ones place column digits. Okay, ones place digit என்னதுங்க? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 0. Subtract the tens place digits. 8 minus 3. In finger method itself. Okay, 8. This is 8 finger. You all know. Minus 3. 1 2 3. How many fingers left? 5. So your answer is 5. Total answer is 50. Similarly, third question, 90 minus 30. You subtract the ones place digit. 0 minus 0, 0. Subtract 9 minus 3. Okay, 9 minus 3 in finger method itself. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. Subtract 3. 3 fingers மடக்குங்க. 1 2 3. How many fingers left? 6. So your answer is 6. Total answer is 60. Again, fourth question. Subtract the ones place digit. 1 minus 0 minus 0 is 0. Subtract 5 minus 1. 5. This thing 5. This is 5. 5 minus 1. So ஒரு finger மடக்கிட்டா மீதி எவ்வளோ? 4. So your answer is 40. Okay. So subtracting tens, use the finger method itself. Finger. Okay? Okay children, next we see other sum. Let us see the word sum children. Subtraction word problem. Okay? Listen. There are 59 desks and chair. So 59 desk and chair இருக்குது. 59 desk and chair இருக்குது. 27 are desks. So அதுல 59ல desk வந்து 27 இருக்கு. chair எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். How many chair or chairs? So மீதி எவ்வளவு chairs இருக்குது? Listen. So desk and chair, both desk and chair எவ்வளவா? 59. அதுல 27 வந்து desk. So you follow the one sentence method, okay? One sentence you write the number 59. 59 desk and chair ல 27 வந்து desk. So minus 27. So எப்படி வந்து chairs கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? 59 ல இருந்து 27 desks subtract பண்ணினா எவ்வளவு chair இருக்குதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். So 59 minus 27. So one sentence method போட்டோம். இப்போ you subtract the ones column. Okay? Either using cross out method. So 9 minus 7 you draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross out 7. 9 minus 7 you cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many lines left? 2. This is first method. Second method, what is the second method? Using the finger method. Okay? 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 9. 9 la 7 fingers subtract பண்ணணும். 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers left? 2. So, ரெண்டு மெத்தட்லயும் answer same ஆ தான் வரும். Okay? 9 minus 7 is 2. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Tens column digits subtract பண்ண போறோம். 5 minus 2. So, cross out மொதல் 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 2. 1, 2. How many lines left? 3. Odd finger method. This is 5 finger. Minus 2. 1, 2. How many fingers left? 3. So your answer is 32. So chairs எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? So chairs. How many chairs? 32. Desks எவ்வளவு? Desks வந்து 27. Chairs வந்து how many chairs? 32. Okay? Let us see the second sum. There are 27 children. There are 27 children. அப்படின்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? Both boys and girls. 27 both boys and girls இருக்காங்க. 16 are girls. அதுல 16 are girls. How many are boys? How many are boys? There are 27 children. 27 குழந்தைகள். 27 children. அதுல 16 வந்து girls. Then how many boys? How will you find? 27 minus 16. Girls subtract பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா boys எவ்வளவுன்னு தெரிஞ்சிரும். 27 childrenல 16 வந்து girls. So 16 girls அதுல இருந்து subtract பண்ணிட்டா மீதி boys எவ்வளவுன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். So solution. Listen. So use the one sentence method. One sentence. Okay? So you write the first number 27. There are 27 children. Okay? So 27 children, you write 27 minus girls எவ்வளோ 16. You write 16. Then you find the number of boys. So you subtract 7 minus 6, ones column. 7 minus 6, either crossing out method or finger method. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 finger la 6 finger minus பண்ணுங்க. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining is 1 finger. Or crossing out method. Draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 6. Cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines left? Only 1 line. So your answer is 1. Then second tens column. So 2 minus 1. Follow the finger method. 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. So your total answer is 11. So how many are boys? Boys எவ்வளவு பேரு? 11 boys. So boys is equal to 11. So எவ்வளவு girls? So girls is equal to 16. Boys எவ்வளவு பேர் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்? 11. So add பண்ணினா 6 plus 1 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. Totally we get 27 children. So how many children are there? 27 children. அதிலிருந்து how many are girls? 16 they give. எப்படி boys கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்? 27 ல இருந்து 16 subtract பண்ணோம். We will get 11. Okay children? Okay children. Thank you.